Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be making this yummy air fried donut. Very easy and simple. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me. Thank you. In a bowl I'm going to be adding in flour, I'm going to be adding in sugar, I'm going to be adding in yeast, I'm going to be adding in nutmeg powder. Our warm milk comes in now and I'm just going to mix that together till it's well incorporated. While mixing, I just want to use this medium to thank each and every one of you that has been supporting this channel since last year. May God bless you all. And if you haven't joined the big family yet, it's time to join. Hit that subscribe button and let's vibe together now. You understand how you roll. So I added in some butter and I'm just going to mix that till it's incorporated, and I'll transfer it to my work surface and knead that for 30 minutes till your dough is no longer tearing, it is now elastic. So this is where the work begins. After some arm exercise on the dough, this is what my dough looks like after 30 minutes of kneading. It bounces back when I pinch it and it's very elastic. Yes, this is what you are looking for. So I'm just going to dust my surface lightly with some flour. I'll roll it out and I'll use my donut cutter to cut out my donuts. So easy, Abby. So guys, don't forget you can get all the ingredients on Chef Temi Tools on Instagram. I'm going to add the link to the description box so you can get the donut cutter. All ingredients are used here, including the air fryer, on Chef Temi Tools. I left this to rise for extra 20 minutes and I'll allow the remaining rising to happen in the air fryer. I'm just going to arrange this in my air fryer. I will fry this at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. The other rising process occurs in the air fryer. So after 15 minutes, this is what my donut looks like. It was literally calling my name, but because I was shooting a video, I could not taste. So I had to rub this with some butter to make it soft. I added my favorite topping sauce to it. To some I added chocolate sauce, to some I added white chocolate sauce, to some I added caramel sauce, to some I dusted with sugar, to some I added jam. I am still Chef Temi. Until next time, bye.